Hello friends, Namaskar. We are doing Polynomials chapter 2nd of class 10th NCERT book. Today we are going to do exercise 2.4 question number 1. You can pause the video and read the question. In question, it is a given polynomial and you know very well it is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means highest degree 3, highest power 3. Highest power 3 means degree 3 and so cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros. जितनी पावर्स होते हैं उतनी ही मैक्सिमम जीरोज होते हैं किसी भी पोलिनोमियल की. सो एक क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल की मैक्सिमम 3 जीरोज होती हैं एंड ऑल 3 आर गिवन हेयर 1/2, 1, -2. और जीरोज वो होती हैं जो किसी भी पोलिनोमियल को जीरो के इक्वल कर दे, जीरो बना दे आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ जीरोज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ px इज इक्वल टू x -3, तो x की कौन सी वैल्यू इस पोलिनोमियल को जीरो के इक्वल बना देगी, दैट इज इक्वल टू x इज इक्वल टू 3. सो 3 इज ए जीरो ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल. सो वी हैव टू वेरीफाई दैट these given zeros are really zeros of this polynomial. हमें ये पता करना है कि जो ये जीरोज दे रखे हैं ये वास्तव में ही इस पोलिनोमियल की जीरोज हैं. फॉर दैट लेट px इज इक्वल टू 2x क्यूब प्लस x स्क्वेयर minus 5x plus 2. And now we will put these values of zeros one by one in our polynomial. Means at place of x we will put 1/2. So 1/2 square minus 5 into 1/2 plus 2. And you know 1/2 into 1/2 into 1/2 is equal to, in numerator 1 and in denominator 2 to the 4 to the 8. So it will be 1/8. Similarly, it will be 1/4 minus 5/2 plus 2. Now bracket means multiply, and when we will multiply 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 8. So 8. 1/4 plus 1/4 minus 5/2, and we can write it as 2/1. So we will solve it by taking LCM, and LCM of denominator 4 4 2 1. So LCM will be equal to 4. LCM को सोल्व करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड बाय डिनोमिनेटर. सो 4 1 जा 4. आफ्टर डिवीजन वी गेट 1. 1 into 1 1. अगेन डिवाइड वी गेट 1. मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यूमरेटर 1 माइनस एज इट इज. आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग वी गेट 2 and multiplying by 5 we get 10 plus division 4 as quotient, 4 2 ja 8 is equal to, add positive terms, we get 10 minus 10 by 4 is equal to 0/4 is equal to 0. Since after putting 1/2 we get polynomial is equal to 0. Hence 1/2 is a zero of this cubic polynomial. Now we will check for 1. Now P1 means at place of x we will put 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 and plus 2. So 1 cube is equal to 1. So 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 minus 5 1 ja 5 plus 2. Add positive terms. 2 plus 3 plus 2 5 minus 5 and it is equal to 0. Hence 1 is also a 0 of given cubic polynomial. Also 4 minus 2 p x at the place of x minus 2. So our polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and at the place of x we will put minus 2. 2 bracket minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square minus 5 bracket minus 2 and last plus 2. Cube of minus 2 we get minus 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8 and sign negative and negative. Negative positive, but again with negative plus 2 to the 4 and sign will be positive. Minus multiply. In multiplying both same signs becomes positive. 5 to the 10 plus 2. 2 multiply minus 8 minus 16 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2. Add positive terms. We get plus 16 and minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. Hence 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 are zeros of given cubic polynomial. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. We know that general form of cubic polynomial is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and our given polynomial is this. So when we compare, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 5 and d is equal to 2. These are our coefficients. These are coefficients of cubic polynomial. Now zeros are 1 by 2, 1 minus 2. So let alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to minus 2. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus gamma. Gamma means minus 2 by 1. We can write it as minus 2 by 1. After LCM, we get 2, 1 plus 2 minus 2. 1 plus 2 minus 4. So it will be equal to minus 1 by 2. And what is minus 1 by 2? What is b? B is equal to 1 is equal to minus b by a. Hence, this relation is verified, that sum of three zeros is equal to minus b by a. Now we will do sum of product of zeros while taking two zeros at one time. Sum of product of zeros while taking two zeros at one time. So what is the value of alpha? Our alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into beta. Beta is 1 plus beta 1, gamma minus 2, and now plus gamma minus 2 into alpha 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into minus 2 -2 plus -2 into, so it will cut and we get -1/1. So after solving 2 LCM, 1 minus 4 minus 2. Because first we divide, we get 1, 1 multiply 1, 1 minus as it is. When we divide, we get 2, 2 2 is 4 minus after division 2, 2 into 1, 2. So this will be equal to -6, 1 minus 6 by 2 is equal to -5/2. And what is -5? -5 is C and 2 is our A. So C by A. This relationship is also verified. Next is product of zeros. Alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha is 1/2. Beta is 1. Gamma is -2. We can write 1/2 into 1 into -2. So is equal to -2/2. -2 into 1 as denominator 1 by 2 is equal to -2 into 1 into 1 -2. 2 into 1 into 1 2. And when we compare, we find that D is equal to 2. So minus as it is at the place of 2 D, and A is also equal to 2. So here A. Hence all three conditions are verified. Hence verified relationship between zeros and coefficient. In the second part, given polynomial is, let Px, given polynomial is x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. And here 2, 1 and 1 are three zeros of this cubic polynomial. So first we will verify, we will show that these are zeros or not. So at the place of x we will put 2 and it must be equal to 0. So 2 raised to power 3 minus 4, 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 into 2 minus 2. 2 2 is 4 2 is 2 2 is 4 2 is 8 minus 4 into 2 2 is 4 plus 5 into 2 minus 2. 8 minus 4 4 is 16 plus 5 2 is 10 minus 2. Add positive terms, we get 18, and add negative terms, same 18, and it is 0. Hence 2 is a zero of given polynomial. Now for 1. So at the place of x we will write 1. 4 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. Cube of 1 1 minus cube square of 1 again 1 plus 5 into 1 5 minus 2. Add positive terms, add negative terms. Again 1 is also a zero of given polynomial. There is no need to check again for 1. Hence therefore 2 1 1 are zeros of our given polynomial. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Since zeros are 2 1 1, so let alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to 1. These are zeros. For coefficient, we will compare given polynomial to general form of cubic polynomial. General form of cubic polynomial, that is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to -4, c 5 coefficient of x, and d constant term -2. These are our coefficients. These are zeros. Now we will verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma means sum of zeros we will prove minus b by a, coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha means sum of product of zeros while taking 2 at one time. We will show it equal to c by a, and product of zeros is equal to minus d by a. Now let's check. Now first of all, alpha plus beta plus gamma means sum of 3 zeros. We got 4, and we can write 4 by 1, and 4 we can write minus 4 means minus multiply will become positive. So we can write 4 is equal to minus and minus 4 in bracket by 1. Negative as it is, and at the place of minus 4, b. And what is the value of a? 1. So 1 is equal to a. 1 is value of a. Now we will show second relation, that is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Also alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Put the values of same. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5, and we can write 5 by 1, and 5 is equal to value of c, and 1 is equal to value of a. Now next we will show product of zeros in coefficient form. Also alpha beta gamma, alpha 2 beta 1 gamma 1, 2 into 1 into 1 is equal to 2, and we can write 2 is equal to 2 by 1, and 2 is value of 2 is not value of minus 2, so we can write negative of negative 2 by 1 to verify our relationship. So minus as it is, and at the place of minus 2, d, and 1 is value of again a, coefficient of x cube. Hence all relationship verified. I think students you got both parts. If you really like, then please share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.